Good morning, everybody. So today I'm making waffles. At first, I need to pour the milk in.
Waffles too.
Some 12 grams of milk. That's a lot of milk. Put the lid back on. Now it's full of lemon juice. Lemon juice in. Which one? Now we need to put the butter in. Don't put too much lemon juice in before the butter because I put too much in. So now I'm going to put this over there. Let it sit. Now I'm going to do the butter. Is good?
More.
Okay. So this chunk will need more. Tap it into the bowl. This good. This is enough. Let's scrape this off. Really. Put it back in there. Now we need to open our eggs so they cool out, unless you have cold waffles. And we need 3 eggs. Put them right there. 3. There. Close the eggs. We're gonna go melt the butter and put it in the microwave. Hello everybody. So today I'm doing the flour. So also pat it, and then when it's kind of messy, just like pat it right where it's messy. And now, like with the flat part, go like, and then just scrape some off. That's the perfect mix. Put it this gray silver bowl. Now one more. Put the knife down. Hit your other hand. Scoop it. Do the same thing. Last one for a third for 3 cups of flour. Just pat it again. Now flip it the knife with the long part, scrape like this. Dump it in. Tap it with a knife, and now put this cup down and use the little hands. This one down. This. I'm gonna put the little cup of flour in. Now turn it and scrape it. Now stuff it in there. Tap with the knife. Now I'm gonna put the baking powder in, and you also need to pat it. And now, now I need to do another one of these. Now pat it, and then scrape it. Wipe all your mess. It's kind of wet. Hands. Now see the baking soda. So you keep it like this. Put your spoon in. Rub my hands on my pants. Make a bigger mess. Wipe it up. Really deep in. That's enough. There, a little bit of kosher salt. Flatten it with your fingers. If your fingers are clean, dump it. And now cover it how you ever cover it. Now we'll do the egg. Now crack it on the crack your egg on the flat surface, otherwise it'll explode on you. So put it in a glass bowl separately. Make sure no shelling get there. Put it back in the bowl where your eggs have got. Crack the other one, still flat surface. If you want to crack it on not flat surface, I'll show you how it does. See how it's just like a big chunk of booger? And now it's kind of like yucky. So that's why you don't crack it on not flat surface, but always crack it on flat surface. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands to whisk the eggs. Always check if there's shell used. Gap. And now I don't have any shell in mine, so I'll mix it. Mixed up eggs into the lemon milk. Dump it in. Now let's whisk it again. Not very hardly, otherwise your waffles will be chewy. Yeah, I don't know. Now tap it off, put it into the egg bowl. Now use the soup covering to get one of these, mix it around a little, and now put it in there, into the butter. Now put it back in, and now you need to whisk it in to warm the butter up. Cold. Put the butter into your milk. Put this on the plate. Just dump it. Now use your whisk. How do you do this? Ask your parents to do this. Or you can do it yourself if you're big. If you're small, just ask your parents. I almost dropped that, so be careful not to. Now I'm gonna put the vanilla in. Now just put the whisk on a plate. Yeah, it's kind of hard to open, but I think I can do it. Yeah, hopefully it's Christina, that's my mom. Now just pour some in there. Good. And this much sugar. Let's put the cap back in. Ah! Let's close it. Now pour this into here. The dry ingredients. Whisk this off a little. This there on the plate. It's liquidy. Now just whisk it. Whoa. Slime. It's actually dough. Don't mix it too much, otherwise your waffles will not be good. So you need to spray the pan with some of this. That's good. Use this to put some batter in. Put it in the middle so your waffles don't get ruined more. I think that's enough. Just one more scoop in. Now my mom just sprayed the top because I forgot. Now close it. It's locked. Now we just go and wait. Now we need to take the waffle out. All we need Oh my goodness. Get out of waffle. It's just tip and then it'll go crazy. And what I just did. We need to do it all again. So for the top. Good. Now spray the bottom. Batter in. Let drip. It's like a big poo. A man pooing. That's enough. Nope. A little bit more. Twink. Sorry, one more bit. I need to put the chocolate chips in. 2 scoops of chocolate chips. Now do some banana. 1 scoop of banana. 2 scoops of banana. 1 more scoop of chocolate. And this is a banana. Let's open it. Look how chocolatey this pancake is. Wow. Let's syrup. Give 1 to Moy. 2 to Moy. Let's put the syrup. Got to open the legs. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm a scrap. Just cut a bite. See how it is. Drip the syrup. Thank you for watching Emmett Shows You. Please like and subscribe